Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl Repack setup explained. Install any game easily. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side select virus and threat protection and select manage settings and turn off the real-time protection and then go back and select the protection history. And now as you can see threat quarantined, click on it and select yes. As you can see the game setup is missing in my game folder. And here is the setup. Just select the action and select the restore option and select yes. Just select the action and select the restore option. And now it has been restored, guys. Just go back and select the manage settings under virus and threat protection settings and just minimize this page, guys. And now double click on the setup. You can able to see the setup. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Select the language and select OK. If you have 8 GB RAM or less than that, you just need to check mark this limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage and make sure nothing is running in the background, guys. And then select the next option and select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next. And if you have any extra languages option, then uncheck it, guys, other than English. Then you just need to select the install option. After the game installation done, uncheck these option, guys. This open the site, redirect to this site. Just check uncheck these both option and then select finish option. And now as you can see all files are okay. There is no bad file and no missing files are there. Just to close stuff here, select I accept and then select next and install the DirectX. Select finish option. And now the game launched without having any problem, guys. As you can see. And now just close the game and go back to Windows Security. We just minimized before. And then scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. And you just need to navigate to the game folder where you saved, guys. I saved in C drive games folder. Here is the game. And after selecting the game folder, select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list. And then go back and turn on the real-time protection. And now you can play the game without any errors, guys. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.